Hey guys, my name is Ashlyn Rich, and this is my website. When I first started the semester, I really had no idea what I wanted to do my website on, and so that's kind of why I just called it ashlynrich.com. But lately, I've finally figured out kind of the direction that I wanted to take my website. And so that's why you see the Hamilton Homes right over here. Uh, so basically my in-laws, they have invested in a lot of different homes and properties, and so I've been helping them a lot with like staging and kind of finding renters and showing the houses. And so I thought that a fun way that we could kind of boost our renters was if we had a website. And so I decided to gear this website towards that. Their last name is Hamilton. Well, my last name is Hamilton too, but I haven't changed it officially yet. Anyways, so I decided to call it Hamilton Home. And so here we are. We just have like the home page, and I just wanted to say welcome. And down here I have the contact information for my mother-in-law, her phone number, her email, what hours she's available, and a little bit about the site. Up here at the menus bar, I have About Us, and so I wrote a little bit about um, my in-laws, and I inserted a little picture about them, and I just kind of wanted to make it super friendly, super, I guess, laid back, and just easy to navigate, easy to understand. And then for the main purpose of the website, I wanted to showcase their properties that they had, and so I went ahead and I wrote little descriptions about some of the houses. This house is a little townhouse, and so I put pictures of it and the kitchen and the bedrooms and all that kind of good stuff. And so um, I'm planning on adding more properties because they have way more than just one property, but it's a lot of work to add them. And so as I get better at WordPress, I think I'm going to start adding those. And then I also have a tab for available rentals. This is one that we're looking for renters, and so that they can go and they can look at the pictures and see the features that there is on that house. And then I also have a tab for Apply Today, which will give just some information about what they would need to apply for, credit checks, bank statements, pay stubs, that kind of stuff. And then kind of my plans is to have a tenant portal so that they can log into their portal and then pay rent and then like insert maintenance requests. But I haven't quite figured out how to do that yet. So we'll see. Anyways, so that's kind of my site. I had a lot of fun making it, but it was also really, really hard. I learned a lot about being patient and watching tutorials all the way and just not getting too frustrated with myself. And so I think that was a really good thing for me this semester. And overall, I really enjoyed the class, and I'm thankful for this experience, and I'm excited to continue to expand on this little website of mine. Thanks.